Hey fuckers, 5 tips. 5 tips. 5 steps to start a meditation practice. So step 1 is to be kind to yourself. Be nice to yourself. Act like you fucking like yourself during the meditation practice. So if you fuck up during your practice or if your mind wanders, it's okay. Be kind, be gentle to yourself. That's step 1. Step 2 is you just find a place to take a seat. So you can do this on a chair, meditation cushion. Preferably your spine is upright, but if you have to lay down, you can lay down, but you might fall the fuck asleep, okay? That's step 2. Step 3, when you do take a seat, you pay attention to your breathing. That's it. So you just observe your breath, you pay attention, you're aware of your breathing. Step 3. Step 4, just notice your body. This body of yours, just notice that you have a body. Feel your body, all right? Feel your tits, your nipples, your ass, whatever, your face. Just come back to your body, all right? So that's 4. And then 5 is you just watch your thoughts. Observe your thoughts. You watch your thoughts like you're watching a TV show or a movie, all right? You're binge watching Netflix, but you're watching your fucking thoughts. And if your feelings come up, because, whoa, we have some fucked up feelings sometimes, you just sit through them. You watch them. You feel them. The healing is in the feelings. So just seeing them, observing them, your feelings will start to heal. So that's just your 5 steps. And try this out. Do it for 30 seconds a day. Let's do it right now. 30 seconds or maybe 15 seconds. That's what she said. Maybe 15 seconds. So let's do it right now. Take a seat. Close your eyes. And just breathe. Just notice your breath. Observe your breath. How does your breath feel? Now observe your body. Notice your body. How does your body feel? And now watch your thoughts like you're watching your thoughts on a TV screen. What the fuck are you thinking? Watch your thoughts. Feel your feelings. And just observe. Be the witness. Like you're watching a TV show. Being the witness. And there you go. You just meditated. Do that for about 15 to 30 seconds a day. Start small. Do it consistently. And I promise you, you'll be fucking way more aware of yourself. You'll start to realize shit. You'll be like, holy fuck, Yogi Bryan. This is amazing. Try it out.